video, I'm gonna talk a little bit about me. My name is Sara. I am 24 years old. I was born in São Paulo on June 19th, 1995. I live in São Carlos since 2013, when I started my graduation in nursing at UFSCar. At the moment, I am a nurse at Santa Casa and teacher of professional nursing education. I live with my husband. His name is Davilson, but people call him Ju because his last name is Junior. We got married on August 24th in last year. We live in an apartment next to Santa Casa. We don't have any kids or pets because the apartment is very small. I don't have a big family, don't have siblings, and my father Wagner passed away. But I have my mother, aunts, cousins, and grandmother. They all live in São Carlos too. I love being with them and do diverse activities together, especially with my cousins. We adore traveling and going to new places together, but only vacations or holidays, because I have a busy routine. During the day, I work at Santa Casa in ICU. It's a difficult and trying job, but it's gratifying work. During the night, I am teaching at a new school. I was teaching at ETEC Paulinho Botelho for 2 years. This experience helped me discover new skills. Moreover, I studied English at Idiomas on Monday nights. I adore it. In general, I don't have many abilities, but I am a dedicated and passionate person and have a facility to learn new skills. I love studying. In this year, I prepared myself to start my post-graduation course. In my graduation, I started my research about tuberculosis. I was a scholarship holder of FAPESP, and now I return to university. I excel. About the future, I hope that I'll be an excellent nurse with many experiences to share other people's and the studies. Well, that is a little bit about me. For more information, check my CV or contact me. Bye bye.